How to see how many steps you walked in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open Health app and here see the option Steps. You add in favorite, click on Steps and here you can check your steps: day, weekly, monthly, 6 months and yearly. And if it doesn't add in favorites, then click on browse and click on activity, and here you see the option steps. Click on steps and you can see here your steps: day, weekly steps, monthly steps, 6-month steps and yearly steps, and here about steps. So this is the way to see how many steps you walked in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.